There is no way to go outside. بهر ته د تلو لاره نشته. There is no way to go outside. Where is the duster? جاړن چرته دی. Where is the duster? How dare you say that? ته د دې ویلو جرأت څنګه کوې. How dare you say that? Wash your hands. خپل لاسونه ووینځه. Wash your hands. Whose kid is this? دا ماشوم د چا دی. Whose kid is this? What is going on? څه روان دي. What is going on? Look at the sky. اسمان ته وګوره. Look at the sky. Close the window. کړکۍ بنده کا. Close the window. Switch off the fan. پنکا بنده کا. Switch off the fan. Put your books down. خپل کتابونه لاندې کېږده. Put your books down. Where is your friend? ستا ملګری چرته دی. Where is your friend? Don't be late for the class. د کلاس دپاره ناوخته کېږه مو. Don't be late for the class. It is not true. دا رښتیا نه دي. It is not true. Go and sleep on your bed. لاړ شه او په خپل کټ باندې ویده شه. Go and sleep on your bed. Who is your favorite teacher? ستا خوښ استاد کوم یو دی. Who is your favorite teacher? Respect your elders and teachers. د خپلو مشرانو او استادانو عزت کوه. Respect your elders and teachers. Where are my clothes? زما جامې چرته دي. Where are my clothes? Move forward in the crowd. په ګڼه ګوڼه کې مخکې لاړ شه. Move forward in the crowd. The moon is shining. سپوږمۍ پړق وهي. The moon is shining. Nobody will go out in the darkness. هیڅوک به په تیاره کې بهر ته نه وځي. Nobody will go out in the darkness. Would you like to be my friend? آیا ته زما دوست جوړېدل خوښوې. Would you like to be my friend? You may fall. ته غورځېدلی شي. You may fall. I borrowed a book from the library. ما د کتابتون نه یو کتاب د لږ وخت دپاره اخیستی دی. I borrowed a book from the library. Go and attend the class. لاړ شه او په کلاس کې حاضر شه. Go and attend the class.